Hello, so welcome to Micron's booth in GTC 2025. Today I'll give you a quick presentation on the AI portfolio of Micron and how we are really enabling AI to scale from cloud to edge. Let's start with things magic that we do at cloud, right? So here, firstly, we are showing GB200 Grace Blackwell Superchip, where each Superchip has one Grace CPU and two GPUs. Now, as you are aware, if you look at all this LPDDR with the Grace CPU, they all are based on Micron's LPDDR5X, right, which really powers the Grace CPU. And Micron is also very proud to say that we have our HBM3E solutions, which have 30% lower power compared to competition. And we are the only company in the world right now which is powering all these AI platforms with HBM as well as with LPDDR solutions, starting with LP components in GB200. But then I'd love to show you in GB300 platforms, which is GB300 Ultra, which would have HBM3E 12 high and a very new innovative solution based on LPDDR5X called SOCAMM, which was innovated by Micron in very close collaboration with NVIDIA. So as you can see, this is a SOCAMM module, and this tiny dies that you can see is HBM3E. One of them is 8 high, so 8 dies stacked in a very thin package that you can see, and another one with 12 high. So this is GB300 with Micron SOCAMM and our HBM solutions as well. I'd also like to show you some of the other things and how Micron powers the AI solution across the board. As you can see, this is Micron's 1 gamma DRAM. This is Micron's latest process technology node based on 1 gamma, which really helps to scale the performance in a very energy efficient way. So this was industry's first 1 gamma, and Micron has been leading node over node technology transition, starting with 1 alpha, then 1 beta, and now with 1 gamma. Now, as you can see, right besides 1 gamma, we are showcasing HBM3 8 high that I've already talked about, which is 24 gigabyte of HBM memory with 24 gigabit of 8 dies stacked all on each other. Right besides that, we are showing 12 high, which is again showing significant power savings, or more than 50% of the capacity. We are also showing the GDDR7. Which is Micron GDDR7, which gives the bandwidth of more than 1.5 terabyte per second, right? So it helps with all kind of image rendering, and also it will find its application also into AI and various other applications besides gaming consoles. Then we are showing the LPDDR5X in component form that we already saw. It goes into data center. It also goes into all kind of edge applications, as you are aware. But this is a revolutionary SOCAMM that we are talking about, right? And this SOCAMM is the first modular high-capacity LPDDR5X data center, right, for data center grade. Now this is MRDIMM. This is yet another innovation that Micron rolled out around July last year, right? And this MRDIMM is basically having the same form factor as RDIMM, but it gives greater bandwidth or performance for AI. And you can see it comes in two form factors of regular tall form factor as in RDIMM, as well as in tall form factor of 256 gigabyte, right? So this is a 256 gigabyte MRDIMM tall form factor that does a great job in HPC and AI applications. And in next generation of MRDIMMs, it will work across all platforms, across the ecosystem. And then we have our regular RDIMM and CXL module, which is more of an expansion memory.